Helicopter is dropping bombs.
I don't think this is very the dirt.
Drives through the dirt.
Looking for the enemy.
What's his name?
Tank.
Just Tank. That's the name.
Yeah.
All right.
And now
Fake tracks, you say?
and take
Look at that. It does have fake tracks, but it's still a good one.
It's an assault vehicle.
Assault vehicle.
Driving through the water, looking for enemies in
Is
the
it
water.
is it amphibious?
Yes, it's an amphibious assault vehicle.
That's a good truck, and it doesn't have any fake wheels.
It's not real.
Yeah, it's a real one.
And
Who is this?
this is the Hummer, the transporting man with guns holding.
So men are holding guns, and this truck is transporting them. That's a serious one. It's an armored vehicle.
Wrap them up and then
The drone. Show me the drone.
dropping them on the ground.
Look
to
at that.
destroy them.
Are these grabber arms?
Yes.
Yeah, they're cool. I wish they could move. Unfortunately, they don't. That's awesome.
When someone gets hurt,
Ambulance is coming to the rescue.
Jeep.
The Jeep
Also transporting man with guns
transporting men with guns. Okay.
in the back
At the back. I see the roof is open.
because it's not very safe.
It is safe. It's for army men to jump out while the vehicle is still driving.
No, it cannot drive itself.
Oh, the driver will stay.
This is the black Friday.
Building tallest ladder. Right.
And there's a man holding a gun downward.
Where are they going? First is the drone, and they all lined up. That's cool. Where's the tank? Oh, there he is. I see.
Right behind the assault vehicle.
Where are they going?
All heading into the carnival.
They're going to the carnival? What?
And this Hummer has a helicopter on top of it.
Yeah, helicopter landed on top.
And this paramedic is
Are they
right
going to
here.
destroy Kyrie's tower?
Yeah, they're all turning for it.
All turning for it. All right. I'm
Actually, James is
excited.
first.
No? Yeah, he should be first because he is the fastest and most eager. This is the tallest tower that Kyrie has ever built. And it's risking to be destroyed by our tanks. I don't know if you can make it because it's taller than me already. Whoa.
I think that you have to hold it.
Now I have to hold it because it's taller than me. And you two
We are slowest.
are the smallest. No, not that small. You think trying? Are you still trying to?
I
No, you can't reach.
it's too high.
Too high. It's taller than me. You're holding. Boink.
Just let it fall.
Like a little monkey holding with your feet. Boink. You're also holding it. What's a challenge?
This.
Boink.
A wire around a tire over here.
A wire. I see the wire
Around a tire.
around the tire.
And then this.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Then
Is that your new one?
And then this back with a helipad sticker.
Oh, helipad. A helicopter can land, right? What's on the side?
And this,
You're weaponized.
A gun?
Side open. Oh, these are additional shooters. Machine gun.
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Huh?
There's just
Another opening. Oh, I got danger stickers and the names. And another opening inside. Ow, you.
Mama.
What are you attaching now?
The gun.
The machine gun in front and the shooting rockets on top. All right. More
Attaching the side guns.
side guns, more torpedoes on this side and on the other side. I see. Are they torpedoes or missiles?
Missiles.
I see.
This side.
There was another one on the other back. This side is missing. We need to find the last piece. Looking good. Are they all lined up and ready to go inside?
Yes.
Do they all fit?
Actually,
Let's see.
you gotta turn this around.
Let's turn this around. They'll go from the front. Oh, the trap went down and now they can drive all in.
It's not a trap.
Well, how do you call it?
It's another tank to protect them inside.
Yeah, another tank. Oh, they're all fitting in. You got the tank, the drone, the little ambulance. All right. That's amazing. And they all in and close the door. You're closing the door?
This guy's kind of lifted. Look at the little turret.
Lifting, yeah, I see that. Okay, all closed. And now they're ready to go on a mission.
I know what we should do.
What?
How we shoot all the weapons out?
Let's shoot all the weapons. At me? Don't shoot me. I'm your mom.
Oh, but this is just a fun.
Kyrie is being bored. Let's shoot him. Ooh. Oh, 3 torpedoes are smashing him, and he's games. He's iPad. He doesn't seem to care.
Oh no,
Oh no, he's fighting back. Oh no.